Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm at Cal State University, San Marcos, California, and this is the E lot, and they have rented us the lot for a private practice today with SCCA, PCA, and BMW members trying out the lot to see if it would work as an autocross lot. I already ran 6 runs. It's a sub 30-second course, so it's a small lot, a small course. The grip is good. The setting is pretty nice. It's hot, but they have real bathrooms here, not porta potties, and I'm going to go over in the shade there where I'm just showing you that picture. I'll try to get some action shots later on. Okay, so we're getting ready for the afternoon run groups. We're running in 2 groups, A group and B group. A runs, B works, B runs, A works. So we got about 22 or so, 25 cars in each group.
Like, I already talked to her about how you really had it.
That one runs on 100% ethanol, I believe.
All right, forces join.